Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which His Excellency, the President of the Federative Republic of Brazil, has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the Ambassador of the Federative Republic of Brazil to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present a letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I'm very pleased to receive your credentials and a letter of recall of decency. I welcome you most warmly and sincerely to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency, the President of the Federative Republic of Brazil and the people of the Federative Republic of Brazil our warmest and sincere wishes for their continued well-being, peace and stability. Congratulations, Dr. Ambassador. Welcome to Fiji, and so nice to see you this morning.